Okay, this bird is nuts. It got scared of the TV. It started freaking out about what I'm watching. She was on my shoulder now. She's hiding behind my head. She's hiding behind my head now. You want to get off my back, please, so I can stand up? I'm going to stand up. You're going to fall. You're going to fall. Don't grab my ear. Ah, don't grab my ear. Come on, Peach, get up. Get off my back. I'm not a freaking horse. Get off my back. Please get off my back. Get off my back. Get off my back. Come on, get off my back. Wee! Don't bite me. You're seriously scared of the TV.
That's exactly what you did to me.
She's scared to death of the TV. She's scared of a cartoon. Oh, now she's on my other shoulder, finally. Thank you. At least you're off my freaking back. I gotta rewind that now. Okay, watch this. This is hilarious. This bird is scared to death of the TV.
In Scaredy, children can eat as much ice cream and candy as they want and never get sick. In Scaredy, all you have to do is think of your favorite toy.
She's scared of it.
For your eyes.
She's scared of the TV.
Rides and amusement parks are open 24 hours a day.
Oh, this is the best holiday ever. Is this real?
It's not real.
But you got me.
Are you scared of the TV? Oh, you're funny. You're funny. You're scared of the TV, are you? Is that TV scary to you? You're silly. Bye, people.